Hi, I'd like to invite you to attend the US-China Film Summit this year. This is our third year, and I personally think it's the most exciting year. We've got some great content coming up in the summit. We have a program called A Year in Review. We're going to talk about the newest things that's happened in the past 12 months. A panel devoted to the globalization of talent. And finally, a panel devoted to the new breed of cross-border Chinese investors. You'll be hearing from the leaders, the newsmakers, from themselves as things are happening. Now, to top it all off, we have an amazing gala dinner celebrating two amazing individuals and organizations, Mr. Han Sanping from the China Film Group, Luke Holman, and DreamWorks Animation. I don't think I need to say any more. Not to be missed. I want to personally invite you to be there, get involved in this exciting community, and it's going to be a great evening. I'll see you there. Thank you.